Okay, here's just another view of that section, but here's a whole new section of dumped equipment, and you know, there still is another section, but we're going to head bush very shortly. But yeah, I mean, back in the day this would have been worth millions of dollars, absolute millions, and look at it, just all sitting there rotting away. You know, this guy's obviously made his money. Yes, they call people like this captains of industry, but this is their true legacy. Crap like this, you know, just astounds me. I mean, that's obviously full-on mining equipment right there. There's more of it. Okay, we're just about to head bush, but yeah, that's where he's currently doing stuff. So we're going to head off over in that direction. But look at all this stuff, just absolutely amazing. Where's that track? We should, oh, there it is. Okay, so we're just about there. But yeah, it just goes on and on. Anyway, we've got to get onto our track.